Hello and welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to learn about a very important Microsoft Power BI feature, and this feature is very important in these days because most of the data source that we want to work are available online. So it is very important to get the data which is available online easily to our Microsoft Power BI and start working right on that data. So earlier what used to happen, we if we have a data on some website, suppose on a Wikipedia or somewhere, and we want to get that data, we need to copy that data, we have to put that into the Excel sheet, and then transform that data, work on that data, then save that Excel sheet, then that Excel sheet into the Microsoft Power BI, and then after importing into the Power BI that Excel sheet that we have taken from the web, we can work. But Microsoft Power BI has given an very important feature where we can simply put the web URL address of the website where that table is available on the web, and Microsoft Power BI will extract all the data on that table into the Microsoft Power BI in a tabular, in an Excel kind of format, and right in the Power BI we can start working on that data. So this is a pretty important feature that we can get data from any source, even from the web. Like we have seen how we can import the data from the Excel sheet, how we can we'll see how we can do the from the SQL server, and in this lecture we'll see how we can get the data from the web. So see here, when you click on this get data, you can see the Excel workbook, Power BI dataset, data flows, Dataverse, SQL server, analysis services, text and CSV files, and here you can see web. So what is this web for? This web is for import data from web page. So if you have data or a table on any website and that you want to import into the Power BI, and you want to transform that data or work on that data or use that data for your dashboard creation or report creation, you can directly do that with the help of web option here. So let me show you. This is a Wikipedia page where list of countries and their population is site wikipedia.org. Here we can see the list of countries and dependencies by population. So here if you scroll down, you can see the countries rank like based on the population. So China is the most populated country, the rank is 1, then comes the India on the second position, and see here their population, their percentage of population with respect to the world, and on what date, up to what date this data is updated, that is there, and the source, and then the notes. So all the countries in the world data of their population has been updated on this Wikipedia website. So now if I want to work on this table of countries population in the world, what I can do, I can simply I can copy this data and put it into the Excel sheet, and then save that Excel sheet and import that Excel sheet into the Microsoft Power BI. That is the one way, that is the traditional way to do. But I can import this data as it is in my Power BI. So how can we do that? So you just need to simply copy the URL. So I'll just copy this URL here, just copy it, and then we need to go to the Microsoft Power BI. We need to click on the get data, we need to go to the web, import data from the web page, click on that, and you will be prompt. See, this prompt will come from web, basic, advanced. Will stay with the basic one, and here it is asking you to put the URL. So I'll just paste the URL that I have copied. So this is the URL that we have copied, wikipedia.org/wiki/list of countries and dependency by population. So this is the URL from where I want to extract the data or the table. So after putting that URL, we just need to click on OK. So click on OK, and Power BI is smart enough to fetch all the tables available on that particular website. So see here, now it is getting the tables from that web page. So now see here, these are the tables available on that website. So see here, this is the table: the country rank, country name, population, percentage population, date, source and notes. So this is the exactly rank, country, population, percentage population, date, source and notes. So exactly same thing has been populated here inside the Power BI, and all the data has been populated here. Apart from that, there are some other tables as well, like column 1, column 2, this table, column, all these supplementary tables are also there. So now which are the tables you want, you can just click on that. So I want this country name and the respective population data to be imported. So I'll click on this option, and here there are two options: you can load or you can transform the data here itself. So first what I'll do, I'll just load the data and later we'll go for the transformation of the data. Okay, click on load and the table will be loaded into our Microsoft Power BI. So see here, it is being loaded. It will take a few seconds and all the data models will be added here. See, so now we are into the visuals page, but when you come here, data view, you can see the table here. See the table: rank, country, population, population percentage, date, source and notes. So all these things have been added here, right into our Microsoft Power BI. So now once we have this thing added, we can come to the report or visuals of pane, and here we can start creating our reports. Here you can see the table detail, what are the columns are there. Okay, and here data view, you can see the data. So suppose if you want to transform the data, you can simply suppose I don't want I'm not worried about the date, so I can simply select the date field here or date column, and I can simply delete it. So just click on here and delete, because date column is not required for my any thing. So I have delete, and similarly the source is also not required. So for source also I'll delete. Notes also not required, so I'll delete the notes column as well. And here if you can see here rank, and here if I want to rename this column, so I can go and click on rename, and here I can put, just remove the dependency, I'll put country. So now the column name is country. Population, I'll just see what is the exact thing given here. So it is given as a population, so I'll keep it like this. This one I'll put percentage population. Okay, so I'll just remove this and I'll put percentage before that. Okay, so now the column name is rank, country, population and percentage population. So this way we can transform the data. Suppose if you want to change this country name, you just click on this and you just put rename, or you can just put France. Yeah, okay. See here, from here you can change the data type. All these things you can do here. If you want to add a new column, you can do that also. I'll just remove the filter and all the countries will come here. Now if you want to add some chart here, you can simply click on here and you can come to the data, and here you can put the rank, country, rank, population. So see here, now we have this bar chart ready with the country name and percentage population, count up percentage population. Okay, so this way we can get the data from the web and use them for our report.